Hi guys, welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today you get to learn how I made these corned beef sandwiches. You can take them on a picnic or eat them anytime. Here I have a loaf of brown bread, can of corned beef, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and I have finely cut an onion, half a bell pepper, and half a tomato. Finally, you need butter to sandwich the bread. These cans are so easy to open. You may have noticed that no salt is used in this recipe due to the high sodium content in the corned beef. I like to cut and separate the corned beef, which is easier when mixing in the pan. Now heat the oil and fry the onions for a few minutes. Then add the bell pepper and fry for a couple of minutes. Add tomato and crushed chili. Stir well. Add the corned beef, tomato ketchup, sugar, and give it a good mix. By now, the corned beef should smell so good. So I'm cooling the mixture on a bowl of ice. The sandwiches tend to be soggy if the mixture is too hot. While it is cooling, let's butter the bread. My family requested to leave the crust on, but if you prefer, you may cut it off. I buttered only one slice of bread except for the corner slice, which could be a little dry. Stir the mixture on ice to cool faster. Now spread it on the bread and finish making the sandwiches. So which way do you like to cut your sandwich? Diagonally or right in the middle? I will cut mine diagonally. While I cut them, please subscribe to Gloria's Platter and hit the like button, please. They look so delicious. Just a note that addition of sugar and chili flakes take the taste of sodium in the corned beef. So do you like brown bread or white bread? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.